exercise 24, Python JSON. So JSON is a syntax for storing and exchanging data. So actually JSON or JavaScript Object Notation is a popular data format used for presenting structured data. It is common to transmit and receive data between a server and web application in JSON format. JSON is text written with JavaScript Object Notation. So firstly, you need to know that Python, dia support JSON with a built-in package called JSON. Okay, so this package can be used to work with JSON data. So macam mana kita nak import JSON module? Cara dia, we need to have import JSON. So JSON is a built-in package. So import JSON. And then I run this one. Oh, sorry. Okay. We need to run this. Baru kita boleh pergi next. Okay. Parse JSON, convert from JSON to Python. So kita nak convert from JSON to Python by using the JSON.loads. Okay, so ni kita nak convert JSON ke Python. Kita guna method JSON.loads. Okay, we can look at this example. We have JSON X, some JSON data lah. Okay, X equals to name, age and city. And then parse X by using the JSON.loads method. Okay, now the result should be in Python dictionary. Okay, let's say we want to print Y. The key is age. Okay, it's supposed to return 30 here. This one lah. Okay, now I run this one. Oops, I already ran it. Okay, so it return value for key name age. So kita ada age here kan. So dia akan return 30. Now we want to convert from Python to JSON. Tadi kita nak convert JSON to Python. But now dari Python nak ke JSON pula. From Python to JSON, we can convert into JSON string by using JSON.dumps method. Okay, now we are using this JSON.dumps. Okay, we have Python object, which is this dictionary lah. Kita ada key and the value. This one is key, this one the value of the key. The keys are name, age and city. Now convert into JSON by using JSON.dumps method. Okay, print Y. Print this one lah. Okay, it will return JSON strings. We have name, age and city. Okay, you can convert Python objects of the following data types lah into JSON string. Data type, dictionaries, list, tuple, string, integer, float, true, false and none. Okay, bila dia convert ke JSON strings from Python object, we can look at this example. You can see that dictionary object, dictionary Python kan. When you convert Python to JSON, Python objects are converted into JSON JavaScript or JavaScript. Okay, let's say we have 9 here, 9 that in Python, 9, but JSON string, it will return. Now we can look at this example. Okay, so I already run this one. I already run this block of code. Okay, let's say in Python here we are using the 9. But once it converts into JSON strings, it will return to null here. And both of these will return to number. Okay, you can look at this notes lah. Python to JSON. And then okay, so for this example, we want to convert a Python object containing all the legal data type. Okay, so let's say the first one is, we have a dictionaries here, x variable x, dictionary lah, which is in curly brackets. So we know that This is the string data type. This is number, which is the integer. We have true, false, boolean, and then we have tuples, none. Okay, and then we have dictionaries again here. Okay, print dump x. So I run. Okay, now I run this one. It will print all the legal data types. This one lah. Okay, again, convert a Python object containing all the legal data types. So these are the legal data types. Okay, so ni kita nak convert from Python object. Okay, now format the result. The example above prints a JSON string, but it is not easy to read. This one lah. Nampak tak? With no indentation and line breaks. Let's see we have here. Nampak tak? Kita dah print in a JSON string from a Python object. So here, this one is Python object. And then kita print dalam JSON string. This one lah. Okay, tapi kita notice that bila kita dah print ke JSON string, kita tak ada any indentation, which is kita susah nak read lah data ni kan, ataupun string ni, because it does not have any indentation ataupun line breaks. So cara dia, we can use JSON dumps, but dia ada parameters yang boleh tambah indentation, which is apa ni, mudahkan kita nak baca lah. Okay, by default, when we write JSON data into a file, Python does not use any indentation, and it will write all the data on a single line. Macam ni lah. Okay, so cara dia, kita nak pecahkan this one kan, kita pakai indent parameter to define number of indents. Okay, indent, sorry. Okay, now kita nampak dia dalam a single line. Sekarang kita nak letak indentation. Okay, now I already put indent with a parameter of 4. It means that, okay, I run this one first. Okay, sorry. Cara dia, kita pakai indent equal to 4. If you want to run with 1, just run this one. Okay, wait. I need to run from this one. Okay, so you can see that dia ada satu indentation. Kalau ada 4 here, dia akan ada 4 dekat sini. Let's say I want to print. Okay, sorry, this one lagi nampak mudah kan. Okay, for this one, nampak tak, if I put 4 parameter, which it will give or returns, it will returns 4 indentation here. Okay, if you want to look more, if you want to look better from this one, you just have to use indentation. Okay, let's say I want to have 10 indentation. So sorry. Okay, sekarang dia akan letak 10 indentation. 10 indentation dekat sini. Okay, and then you can also define the separators. Default value is this one lah, comma dengan colon. Nampak tak? Comma dengan colon is the default value, which means using a comma and a space to separate each object, and a colon and a space to separate keys from value. So use the separators separators parameter to change the default separator. Okay, contohnya kita ada data kan, data ini, tapi kita nak separatekan dia dengan guna dot ataupun period untuk setiap key tu. Let's say kita ada key kita sekarang name, age, married, divorce and children. Contohlah, ni key kita. So kita nak separate each key ni dengan dot. So kalau nak separate dengan dot, kita pakai dot lah. Kalau nak separate dengan comma, just tukar comma. So untuk sama dengan ni, equal ni, dia adalah untuk separatekan key dengan value. Okay, again, comma antara key dengan key, name dengan age, kita ada dekat sini. Kalau sama dengan untuk yang kedua ni, dia adalah antara key dengan value. So here, kalau tadi kita pakai dot kan ataupun period, so sekarang nak pakai comma. Nampak dia tukar comma between the key name dengan key age. Okay, let's say kita pakai hashtag. Nampak tak, dia separate antara keys ni dengan hashtag dekat sini. Okay, now you can specify any separator between JSON key and value. Sinilah key dengan value. Okay, next, order the result. For the order, the JSON DOMs method has parameters to order the keys in the result by using sort keys parameter to specify if the result should be sorted or not. So kita akan pakai sort keys parameter. Contoh dia dekat sini. With the indentation 5 indentation, kita nak sort the key. Key kita sekarang adalah name, age, married, divorce, children. Okay, so kita nak sort dia. Sort dia maksud dia, sort equals to true, maksudnya in ascending order. So, nampak tak? Default dia start dengan name, age, married, divorce, children. Tapi bila kita sort, dia akan start dengan huruf A lah. Age, cars, and then children, divorce, married, name, and lastly, the last one is pets. So dia akan sort alphabetically lah. A, C, C, then D, person next M, and so on lah. Okay, so this is another example of how we are using the indentation sort keys to sort the key name here. The key, you all know that this is the key and this is the value. Then this one untuk sort the keys here. And then we want to use the separator. So I run this one. Kita ada 4 indentation here. Let's say if I put 0, nampak tak? Dia akan jadi 0, 0, 0. Dia jadi tak kemas. Ataupun sepatutnya di dalam satu line, tapi bila kita letak indentation, dia akan ada indentation lah, ada white space before the ayat kita ni. So now I put it back to 5. Let's say 5. Okay, nampak tak? Dia ada indentation dekat sini. 5 here, and then dia sort keys in ascending order. So A, C, and then F, H, and then the last one is L. And then we have the separators dot dengan sama dengan. So here we have dot here, and then dot, and then sama dengan. Okay, so that's all for Python JSON. Thank you.